Hey everyone, this is Mr. Technology here, and today we have an unboxing of the Apple Pencil. So this is the second generation Apple Pencil that they have designed and released. So what makes this different from the original Apple Pencil, as most of you may know, and what you can probably see is that there is no lightning connector on here. So this charges magnetically by latching onto the side of the latest generation iPads, and actually have an iPad Air 4 with me. So I will be demonstrating how it works with the latest iPad. So just a quick tour on the box. We have a picture of the Apple Pencil on the top, Apple Pencil logo on the side, again on the other. And on the back we have some just legal and warranty information. As you can see, there's a drawing built in here that it attaches magnetically onto the side. I really like how Apple have made all of their packaging very easy to open by simply pulling on this tab. So we'll go ahead and do that now. Get that plastic off, and then yeah, we see there's another tab in here, so we'll slowly slide it out. For those of you familiar with Apple Watches, it's a similar unboxing experience to that, is what it reminds me of. So right on top here we have a booklet designed by Apple in California. So if we take a look inside, there's Apple Pencil and instructions on how to use it and pair it with your tablet. And then it seems we have other warranty information, and other legal and warranty information inside. So we'll put this off to the side for the moment. And then what we are all waiting for, so there's actually a tab to pull the pencil out from. So here we have the Apple Pencil. It's wrapped, and we can actually see it says here, maybe it's difficult to make out on the camera. I'll try to get it to focus here, but it actually says Apple Inc., 1 Apple Park Way, Cupertino, California. So it actually has the full address stamped out. And just taking the pencil out of its sleeve, it has a very nice matte finish to it. I have to say it is quite sturdy and it feels very solid in the hand. I will say it does resemble an actual pen very, very significantly, especially by its weight to size ratio. This just absolutely feels fantastic in the hand. Yeah, I'm just literally admiring this at the moment. Really, the strength of it, the weight to size distribution ratio is absolutely phenomenal. But we'll see more of how this works with the latest iPad in another video. And that's kind of it for the box. There's nothing else inside. So if you guys want to see more content with the new Apple Pencil and the new Smart Folio case and the new iPad, just don't forget to hit the like and button and subscribe. And I'll catch you all in the next video.